all, my name is Ananya Dalmia, and for today's video I am going to be taking you guys with me through my winter morning skincare routine. And I have dry skin type, so this is especially good for dry skin types. Okay, so just to give you guys like a little intro, to be very honest, I never had a skincare routine. Like up till my class 12th, I only used to put on like a little moisturizer and be good for the day. That is it. No sunscreen, nothing, just some lip balm. Like that was it. Moisturizer and lip balm. That was it. No vitamin C, no sunscreen, nothing. And from the past, like not, I would say the past 2 years, like the past year, I have been a lot into skincare and just taking care of my own skin. So earlier I used to have a lot of dry patches, dry skin under my eyes, chapped lips, and my like the forehead. It was extremely tanned. Like you could just see it. It looked so bad. So obviously I did a lot. It wasn't just skincare products like mask and just taking care of the skin, putting on sunscreen and not going out in the sun too much. So all of these things kind of helped. But just go with the products that you feel like you are comfortable with, but you need to have a skincare routine. Wash your face twice a day. Even if you have dry skin type, try to wash your face like twice a day. Like my skincare routine is very simple and very minimalistic, but it also keeps me hydrated throughout the day. Not a lot of products, just like 4 to 5 products, that is it. And just use the products that you are comfortable with and you have been using from a really long time, and you just know that they are doing perfectly fine. No need to just go with the products that I am using, but just do have a skincare routine so that your skin is not dry, not dirty. Do not touch your skin with dirty hands. Sanitize your phone. All of these things over time actually affect your skin a lot. It can either damage your skin over time, or it can either repair your skin over time. If you're not touching your skin with dirty hands and you're sanitizing your phone, like you will not see the difference in one day. But if you're using dirty hands and you're not sanitizing your phone, you will see a difference in your skin over time. So yes, these are just the background things that you need to know. Other than that, I will take you guys with me through my morning skincare routine, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is how my face is looking right now, and I'm going to take you guys with me through my winter morning skincare routine. And yes, there's a lot of mess in the background. Ignore it. Like I just didn't have that energy to clean that mess, but then yeah, bear with it. Yeah, this is for dry skin types, and yeah, I have the first hand experience. I know how difficult it is for dry skin types to maintain their skin in winters. And so I'm just going to give you guys a very simple morning routine. You do not need a lot of products, but yes, you do need some very necessary products in your skincare routine. So I'm going to show you guys what products do I use, and yes, they obviously work for me and I use them, and my skin literally feels hydrated all day long when I use these products. So yeah, now the first step is yeah, I don't usually do this. I'm just doing it for this video because I don't want my hair to get messed up because of the water. So yes. Okay, so for the very first step, that is literally the most important step in your that should be in your skincare routine, is a face wash. So I'm using this one. It's by Himalaya and it's their oil clear face wash in blueberry. So I used to use Nivea in the past, and it worked for me for a while, but then it stopped working. I used to use their bottle that is for dry skin types. So yeah, it stopped working for me, so I stopped using it. But then this one works for me. And another good cleanser out there is the Cetaphil one. Obviously, it's really good for your skin. I used to use it, but then I switched over to this. I'm like every 2 to 3 months I change my face wash and my moisturizer as well. So yeah, I used to use Cetaphil, and then I'm currently using this one by Himalaya. Okay, so I'm done washing my face. So now I'm just going to like dab it on my skin, and I just like to leave my skin a little damp before applying my next product. Okay, so for my next product I have this vitamin C serum. This is by Minimalistic, and I'm actually doing a video on this. Like, I'm going to apply this for a whole week and then give you guys the results. So yes, I am currently applying this, so I'm not using hyaluronic acid on my face. And usually my skincare routine goes like, vitamin C in the morning and then hyaluronic acid in the night. But then yes, for this whole week I am not using any hyaluronic acid on my face. And also I did a Okay, yes, so I remember I did a whole video about shaving my face. And okay, yeah, let's just apply it first of all. I just apply like 2 to 3 drops. Okay, yeah, so before moving on to the next step, I remember I did a video about shaving my face. And now that I'm applying vitamin C, I kind of remember that after shaving your face, do not apply any kind of acid after shaving your face for like about 2 to 3 days, like maximum 4 days. Just do not apply any kind of acid on your face like vitamin C. Just avoid applying all of these products for like 3 to 4 days after shaving your face. So I shaved my face like a week ago. So now from yesterday I started applying my vitamin C. So yes. So now moving on to the next step, obviously moisturizer. So again I will be using my favorite moisturizer. This is by Dermapeak. So by this time you guys already know what moisturizer do I use. Okay, yeah, it's completely over. I do have another one, but then I do not remember where it's kept. So I'm just going to be back with another moisturizer. Okay, obviously I always have a backup, but I also like to keep this Pond's one. Yeah, I love this Pond's moisturizer, and obviously it's super hydrating. Actually, I've used it only like twice or thrice. Like, it's literally full. Okay, so now that I'm done with my moisturizer, one very important step that I like to do is my under eyes. I do not have any specific under eye cream because under eye creams are just the expensive version of moisturizers. You can literally put your moisturizer under your eyes and they will do literally the exact same job. Like, yes, like that's what most of the people say, and that's what I have actually realized. I did use like 2 to 3 eye creams in the past, but then like there wasn't like a huge difference. So I literally like to put the same moisturizer that I used on my face under my eyes. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of it. So in this way your under eyes are like very hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, and it's really good for your eyes as well, and it's just like it feels really good. Okay, so now after my moisturizer and my under eyes, I am going in with my sunscreen. Obviously the most important part if you're putting on vitamin C, and if you are going out, and even if you're not going out, just put on a layer of sunscreen, because I feel after putting on vitamin C it's very important to put on your sunscreen, because your skin gets very sensitive after that. So yes. Okay, so now to complete this routine, obviously the most important thing is your lips. Like in winters, your skin gets like so dry. You have these dry patches on your skin. Your lips get super chapped, and so I literally put on Vaseline like 10 times a day, and it is still not enough. Trust me. Uh, so in the past, I have had my fair share of experience with the dry patches and chapped lips and dry under eyes, especially the dry under eyes, because I didn't used to put on enough moisturizer on my under my eyes. So by following this routine, like vitamin C, then moisturizer, then under my eyes, it really has helped me over time. Like I do not have dry patches anymore, and my lips aren't as chapped as before. They're still very dry at times, but then they aren't as bad as before. So yes. So for the lips, obviously I have this Vaseline. I'm just going to apply a thick layer. So yes, that was it. That was my morning winter skincare routine for dry skin types, and I guess it was very simple. It's your choice to put on vitamin C, and it's really good for your skin. Other than that, I just use my face wash and my regular moisturizer. So I feel that you just do not need to have a lot of skincare products in your routine. Keep it very simple. The less products you use, the better, because you then get to know what works for your skin and what doesn't. And if you just use all the products at once, and if your skin reacts, you would not know through which product it reacted. So yes, you do not need to use like 1,000 products to keep your skin hydrated. So yes, keep your skincare routine as simple and as minimalistic as possible, because that really works like magic. Okay, so yes, that is pretty much it for the video. And tell me in the comments down below, what products do you use, and any good moisturizer that you like to use in winters if you're dry skin type, because I would love to use a good moisturizer. So yeah, tell me in the comments down below. And yes, that is it for the video. And obviously make sure to like, share and subscribe, all that good stuff. And thank you for watching.